Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Siacoin. As in my earlier video, I was showing you that Siacoin is rejected by the resistance of a broadening rising wedge pattern on this weekly time frame chart. And before that, when it was moving at this support of the broadening rising wedge pattern, I was telling you that after testing this support, we can expect another pump to the resistance of this broadening rising wedge pattern. And you can see we had a very big pump, and after this pump, the price line got rejected. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that imminently after touching this resistance of the broadening rising wedge pattern, the price line has dropped down at the support of this wedge. And this is not happening for the first time. You can see that for the past several months, it is doing like this. For example, here you can see that it was rejected by this resistance, dropped down at the support, rejected by the resistance, dropped down at the support. Then we had another very nice pump. If we take a look at this previous pump, that was almost 94%, quite nice pump. And after this rejection, the price line dropped down. Let me place this measurement tool up to this support. Then you can see it was almost 30% drop. Then again, we had a very massive pump from this low to this high. You can see that was more than 203%, very massive pump. And now if I again place this measurement tool from this low, this high to this low, then you can see that so far it has dropped almost 56.57% after more than 200% pump. We have this 56.57% dump. And the more this wedge will be broader, the more the pumps will be bigger and the dumps will be also bigger. Therefore, we had big dump. And now if the price end will be pumped again, then we can expect another very massive pump. And in today's video, we will analyze this move and we will also analyze that what can be the next potential reversal zone or a decent buying zone for Siacoin. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for Siacoin that I shared on 11th of January 2024 in the previous month. On 11th of January, that was a harmonic bullish reversal Gartley pattern that Siacoin formed with US dollar pair on a 4-hour time frame chart. And this was the complete trade setup. This was the buying range and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price has started a very massive reversal from this buying zone and rallied beyond the sell target zone. And this was almost 75% pump only on this 4-hour time frame chart. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now, let me to take you back to the live chart of Siacoin. First of all, let me to show you this daily time frame chart, and you can see that for the past several weeks or months, it is moving inside this broadening rising wedge pattern. And you can see whenever it is getting bound from the support, it is moving to the resistance, and after the rejection, it is testing the support, rejection, testing the support here. Then we got another rejection. Then it dropped down here and test the support. And when it was testing this support, I was telling you that here we have a quite strong support, because at the same time we have a quite long-term support of $0.0085. That is a quite long-term support, by the way, this one, $0.0085. And at the same time, we also have the support of the broadening band. Therefore, we can expect a very massive pump. And you can see that we had a very massive pump. And after testing the resistance, you can see that the price line imminently dropped up to the support of this broadening rising wedge pattern. At the same time, if we take a look at the stochastic, then you can see that stochastic oscillator is slightly moved more down and forming lower than previous low and entering the oversold zone on this daily time frame chart. Price line is not able to do so. So far, you can see it is not able to form it at a lower than previous low. And there can be a hidden bullish divergence. You can see that so far we have this hidden bullish divergence signal on this chart. However, it is possible that if the price line will be more drop more down, then this hidden bullish divergence signal can be removed from the chart. And in case of breaking down the next support of $0.0085, it can drop down to the $0.0057. So far, so good. We have this hidden bullish divergence flashed on this chart. And Moreover, if there will be another bullish signal flash, I'll be looking for that bullish signal as well that I was also showing you here as well. When the price is testing the support of the broadening rising wedge pattern here and this support of $0.0085 here a few weeks ago, I was showing you this William Vick fixed finding market bottom indicators. By the way, this indicator is free of cost, available on the trading view. And I was telling you that this is a quite strong signal and it works very fine on the weekly time frame chart. And previously when it was appeared here, and we can see that it was testing the support. We had a nice pump, but the pricing got rejected by the resistance of this previous channel. Again, dropped down, and then we broke out this channel and formed this broadening rising wedge pattern. So I will be again looking for this bullish signal. If it will be flashed again on the 7 days time frame chart, and if the price end will be moving above this support of $0.0085, doesn't matter if it will break down this support of the broadening rising wedge pattern. However, if it will be moving above this support and the signal will be flashed, then there will be a quite possible, a very high probability for a massive reversal from this support of $0.0085. You can see that previously this $0.0085 has been working as a very strong support here for several weeks, and support here, and now it can again work as a very nice support. Now, if we take a look at the final target for these two breakouts from this symmetrical triangle and this big down channel that is already happened on this 7 days time frame chart, then target for this symmetrical triangle was here, and we have already achieved that target. That was at this resistance of 1.4 cents. And now if we take a look at the final target for this huge breakout from this big down channel, that is here at the top of the channel, that can be between 6.5 cents to 7 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.